Hello everyone, today it's beautiful thing. I got this model of a local motorbike made in China. It's a Suzuki GS125. It's really amazingly beautiful. All the details are there. It's metal and plastic. See, the wheels turn, the fork turns. There a little bit of shock absorbers, not much. In the back more. Yeah. It's articulated. It's really beautiful. Everything, the 2 meters there, speed meter, rev meter, with gear levers. There's no number, but I don't know if there's no number. No, it doesn't seem to be any number. The front with the lights and everything. It's really beautiful. And we've got 2 accessories. One is see, they use this for to carry some tools or some bottles and things like that. So it just clips into place like this for the front. And we've got the box in the back, the clips also. There it is. So this is the bike complete. Comes in a nice carry box. Really beautiful. Okay, subscribe to see more.